the things. Ivy Sports.
Okay. Today is the family open house holiday passport, encouraging people to shop local. And inside are 35 participating businesses in town that are stamping the passports, and they're giving out treats and trinkets and goodies to go in stockings for the kids.
Today was wonderful. We had people in, kids in, everybody loving the shop. I had probably 50, 60 people in. They didn't even know that I was here.
Today's been great. The community's been great coming out. Everybody's doing their stocking stuffers. They've been very happy. Everybody's super supportive and having fun. It's been a good turnout.
Kids coming in mostly, and some adults too, with the stockings to fill. And they were able to pick 3 things here. People maybe have driven by here a lot but never stopped to come in, so it really helped.
We didn't know what to expect. We kind of got in at the last minute, but there's been just a steady stream of people that have never been here before, so that's really exciting.
It's been fun. I made about 50 popcorns. I only have probably about like 10 left. Guests are happy. Promoted us a little bit too, so it's been fun. All the kids are happy. It's really good to see Scotts Valley out and about.
Quite a few families visit and that were interested in getting some information. And so it was a nice way to meet some families and spend an afternoon.
It was wonderful. A lot of people came and they were excited to just meet a whole bunch of new merchants. They didn't even know we existed here, and we've been here almost 26 years. Kids were excited. We gave them a lot of treats, and we had a raffle for moms to win a pair of earrings.
It's been going awesome today. I was shocked when I walked in at 10 o'clock. There was people out there and they all had their passports ready, and they came in, and I actually had some really good sales from it too, so that makes it very much worth it.
This has brought me into businesses I have wanted to get to, haven't got to. So cool, and I just think it's been a fun day.
The fact that the Chamber worked with area businesses, partnered with the city, and put this together, it's a winner on a couple levels. It's not only supporting our local business, but just a chance for people to get together like we used to do all the time and really take for granted. That's why this day is so important.